Wow, that's amazing. It's like paper thin, but it's very strong. What did you start off with? The
I just
oil?
started using a little bit of oil here.
Thank you. This was sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
Okay.
And then a little bit of salt.
Oh.
Here, that's okay.
Salt. Yikes.
You can put more in too, make it nice and fat.
Okay.
And you could put portobellos in, you know, you could do cabbage. We do that sometimes,
Sure.
you know.
Garbanzo beans.
Exactly. Any other kind of sprout would work beautifully. So it's really something you can be creative with, you know.
I'm just amazed at the daikon. You're a genius. What a great idea. Look at that. My first one.
Yeah,
Not
you want to
bad.
give it a try?
Yeah, oh
With
no,
the
we'll
dipping
eat
sauce?
it later.
Oh, okay,
We'll try
all right.
it later. Thank you, Rachel.
Sure, you're
That's
welcome.
great.